If Microsoft Word is giving you the error that there is not enough disk space, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a fast and simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This issue can happen when temporary files build up, when your system is using too much memory, or when Word can't properly access the temp folder it needs to work correctly. The good news is that you do not have to reinstall Word or make any complicated changes to your computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to clear the temp folder because Word and other Windows apps often store temporary files there. And if that folder gets overloaded, it can trigger the not enough disk space error even when your hard drive still has free space. To do that, open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows and E on your keyboard. Once File Explorer is open, click the address bar at the top and type this exactly: %local app data %\temp. Then press enter. This will take you directly to the temp folder for your current user account. Inside this folder, you may see a lot of temporary files and folders. Some of them may still be in use by Windows or other programs, so if you get a message that certain files can't be deleted, just skip those and continue deleting the rest. Now press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything in the folder, then press Delete to remove the selected files. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Don't worry, these are temporary files, and removing them is a common way to free up space and fix application errors like this one. After that cleanup is done, the next step is very important. Restart Word and restart your computer. This gives Windows a chance to clear memory issues, reload system resources, and apply the changes properly. Sometimes the error appears because Word is stuck trying to use temporary storage that is no longer available, or because your computer has been running too many processes in the background for too long. So close Microsoft Word completely, then restart your PC. Once your computer turns back on, open Word again and check if the error is gone. If you still see the message, the next thing to do is close any unnecessary programs that may be consuming memory. For example, if you have multiple browser tabs open in Chrome, video apps running, or other large programs working in the background, they can take up RAM and cause Word to behave as though there is not enough disk space. Closing those apps can free up system resources and help Word run normally again. If you want the quickest possible test, close all web browsers first, then close any apps you are not actively using and try opening your Word document once more. In many cases, that is enough to fix the problem. So to recap, the main steps are to open the temp folder through File Explorer, select all files and delete what you can, restart Word and your computer, and then close any heavy background programs like browsers or other apps using memory. These steps are simple, safe, and very effective for this specific Microsoft Word error. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step computer solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.